Hello everyone, this is Vinay and I'm going to teach you how to create a template for Autocad 2D drawings and import it. Okay. For that, let's start with Autocad 2017. This is my workspace. So here I'm going to do some settings now. So I don't know what are my units. Just type UNITS in the command bar. Enter. So this is I need it millimeters. So set it to millimeters and OK. So next I need to set the limits for this working space. So how do I set that? So just type limits, enter. So it is asking me the lower left corner. So lower left corner will be 0, 0, enter. And upper right corner. This is for, let's say it is for A4 sheet. So upper right corner will be 297, 210. Enter. So your limits are set. I'll zoom it. Zoom, enter, alt, enter. So it's zoomed. So I need to change the dimension, style and style of my text and everything. For that, we start with the style. STYLE, enter. And here we go for a new file and rename it as drawing. Drawing, OK. I need this Times New Roman. Done. Just apply it, set current and close it. So basically the style of your text has been changed to Times New Roman. So next is your dimension style. For that just type DIMSTYLE, enter. Here go for new, continue this, and in text you go for ISO standard, OK. Then just copy this, close this. Okay, so your dimension style have been set now. So I'll go for line type of my lines. Line type. So basically there are already 3 and I'll load 2 more. Just go for load. I'll load a center line and hidden line. Okay. So my 2 of the lines are loaded. Just click OK. This is done. So I'll create 6 more layers here. To create layers, I'll go for layer properties. Here and create layer. I'll rename this layer one as center. So this is basically center line or center line. This should be glowing. This also should be glowing. And this slot should be open. The purpose of this slot is once you draw a line, center line, and when this is locked, okay, you cannot edit that. You cannot edit or delete that line. So for that, it should be always open. Change this color to magenta and OK. So create a second layer as dimension. And similarly, change this color to 3 and OK. Then for dimension, my lines should be continuous only and just click OK. For this center, I'll just change the line type to center and OK. So create a next line as hidden. Hidden line, change this color to red. OK. Line type, line width as 0.09. OK. This line type is hidden. OK. So I'll create one more layer as thick. For thick, say which color will go for this dark blue. OK. Line type should be continuous and line width. Continuous line width is 0.30 mm and OK. Rest all options are same. So similarly I go for thin line, change this color to cyan, then continuous, rest all are same. Okay, then I create something called viewport. Change this color to black, 18, it's all the same. I'll just cancel this print option or plot option. Okay, so these 6 layers I have created. Just close this tab. Now I need to create a border with a template. How to create a template? I'll just go for rectangle. So I'll specify the corner 0, 0, enter, 297, 210. So this is basically your A4 sheet. I need to draw a border for this. How to draw a border? I'll go for offset option, enter. Let's say 5 mm of offset, enter. Let's select this line inside. So this create a box. So I need to draw a title box now. How will I do this? I'll go for line. So I know the dimension of my title box as height something 40, enter. Width is 100, enter. 40. I have drawn this extra line. Just select delete. So I'll again go for offset option. This one is 10. So 2, 3 here. Again I need to offset this to here with 60 mm frame distance. So offset again enter 60. Enter. Select this, click here. So this create your title box. You need to enter the text here. How will I enter the text? Just go for text xt, enter, specify the starting point somewhere here, write as 3 mm, 0, enter. Just write it as title, close this. So I'll just select this and I'll move it. So similarly I need to write all my text here. For that I'll not again go on writing the text. I'll just select this, right click on selection, paste point from here to here, here. Similarly here, here, here. Okay, so I don't need this line, so just trim it off. Line, trim it. Okay? So I need to edit this text with name, and the student is the roll number, and here sheet number, date, scale, with what scale you are going to draw there. So rename this as IP mod. I need to increase the text of this. I need height to be bit more. So I'll just go for properties, right click here, and height of your text. You can see this option and just go for 5 mm. Enter. Increase the text. You just click and move this now. Just move it here. Okay. So this create your template with the border and your title box. So next I'll go for this layout. Beside your model, layout is there. You can see your template here. You just go for layout and right click. Go for page setup manager. I'll start with a new one. Find here. Okay. Select the plenty of options. I need to clear my drawing to PDF. I'll go for PDF here, and the sheet is ISO full bleed A4. So ISO full bleed A4 297. to 10. Okay, and let's go for width. We need to select this complete window. For that, the dimensions as 0, 0, enter 297, 210. You can center it to plot and preview your drawing. So why it is not showing? That I will cancel. No, go for layer, page setup manager, drawing, new, okay, this is drawing to PDF, ISO grade import, I'll go for layer, Windows 0.0 227 210 enter, preview. This is your template. Just close this, go for OK, set it current, close this. So I'll save this template in my folder. Just Control S, my desktop, go for my folder here, then save this as my template, save this. So this creates your template. So whenever I start with a new drawing, so I cannot start creating this template again and import it to your template here and publish it with the PDF. So for that, what I will do is I will start with a new drawing. Suppose I am starting with a new drawing. I will start with a fresh drawing. So here I am not having any of my layers here. None of my styles have been set in dimension style or text style have been. They have not been set to appropriate style. So I don't have to again set them or again create them. So I know I have just drawn this template and I can import those settings here. How will I do that now? Let's go ahead. Before starting that, I'll go for units, set my units, it should be in millimeters, okay, and I need to set my limits as I did it in the template creation, 0, 0, enter, 297, 210, enter. Limits have been set, then zoom, enter, alright, so this is done. So next we'll start. The option will go for insert. Beside your home, type insert. There's something called design center is there. I'll go here and I'll search my file. I'll search my file in my desktop. I have saved it in a desktop. In my name as here, double click again. So these all are your settings which you are going to import it to this drawing. For dim style here, copy a file, so drag and drop it here. So next layers, select all the 7, drag and drop it here. Then layouts, select all, drag and drop it. Similarly line types, drag and drop it. And textiles, drawing, drag and drop it. So we have dragged and dropped everything. I'll just close this tab. Then I need to make sure they are in a current working and it should be set current. Go for this annotation, where it is, annotation is somewhere, this drawing modifier, this will be this annotation in home tab. So here I'll go for this alphabet A, select my drawing, set it current and close this. Again annotation and standard here, copy of ISO, set current and close this. This is done. This setting what you have done is, you can see all the things have been loaded here. Previously they have not been there. You imported them and dragged and dropped it. they all came in here. So this is done. So next I'll go for layout here. I need to import your template here. So how will I import that template which have been created previously? For this I'll go for this block option here. That you can see insert. Just browse. It is asking me to browse my template. Then open it here. Make sure this all options are off. Click OK and go. Don't click anywhere. Just go to layout one and right click it. You can see page setup manager here. Select your drawing setup, set it current and close this. So you can see your drawing here. Just select this and click this. Okay, so this is your template. What my purpose is, see, I don't have any drawing here, but if I create any drawing, so let me do some drawings here. Okay, I need to import this drawing to my layout. How will I import these drawings which have been created in the model? I need to import in my layout or your template. How will I import that? See, there is an option under layout called a rectangle. We'll select this corner to this corner, and you can see the 3 drawings have been displayed on your template. But the scale of these drawings is more, so I need to reduce the scale. How will I reduce that? Just go and double click on workspace. You can see with your scroll of your mouse, you can scroll it down to a certain scale. And so you can zoom, just as you zoom in your workspace, you can scale this, or you can even do your scaling and the tab here. You can even scale using this scale next to 2. You can see here the scaling can be done. So once this is done, once this scale have been set up, just go for print option here, and then all are same here. If you want to preview your drawing, you can preview. This is your template and these are your drawings. Okay, just close this and you'll click OK and you'll save as your drawing, save 1 in your folder. Go for your folder and save your drawing. So this completes your drawing. So whenever start a new drawing, you simply just drag and drop all the things here. Once you drag and drop them, you create your drawing and go for layout. Follow the procedure which I showed. Thank you.